Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the process of sending money using PayPal. Whether you're paying for a service, sending money to a friend, or making a purchase, PayPal makes it simple and secure. I will guide you step by step so you can follow along easily. To get started, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Once the homepage loads, locate the login button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. You will now see the login page where you need to enter your credentials. Start by typing in the email address associated with your PayPal account. Then, enter your password carefully. Once both fields are filled in, click the login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your PayPal dashboard. Here, you can see your available balance, recent transactions, and various options for managing your account. Look for the Payments section, which allows you to send or request money. Click on the option labeled Send or Request Payments. Now, you will need to enter the recipient's email address. This should be the email linked to their PayPal account. Carefully type it in to ensure there are no mistakes. After entering the email, click the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, you will be asked to enter the amount you want to send. For this demonstration, I will enter $5. PayPal allows you to send money in different currencies, so if you need to change it, you can do so by selecting the appropriate currency from the drop-down menu. However, for this example, I will keep it in US dollars. There is also an option to add a note. This can be helpful to remind yourself or the recipient about the purpose of the payment. Once you have entered the amount and added a note, click the Continue button. Now, you will see a summary of your transaction. This page will display the recipient's email, the amount you are sending, and the payment method. PayPal allows you to send money from different sources, such as your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a credit or debit card. If you choose to send money from a linked credit card, keep in mind that a small fee may apply. However, if you send money from your PayPal balance, there is no fee. Take a moment to review all the details carefully. If everything looks correct, click the Send Payments Now button to finalize the transaction. Once you click this button, PayPal will process the payment and the money will be sent to the recipient instantly. That's all there is to it. You have now successfully sent money using PayPal. This method is quick and secure, making it a convenient way to transfer funds. Thank you for watching.